Today we'll be exploring the tallest bridge in all of California, and I think it's like top 4 in the US. I also brought my drone, so I'm gonna get some nice aerial shots. And keep in mind, this is the tallest bridge, not the longest bridge. Also gonna try out this burger and shake spot. Apparently it's like #1 in the area, which is Auburn. So we'll see. All right, so here we are at the bridge, Foresthill Bridge in Auburn, California. It stands at 730 feet, which is actually crazy. I'm gonna get the drone up soon. California's highest bridge, 730 feet. See if I can get a view. So I have been here before, probably like 5 years ago. And I was able to go down on the other side, and then you could see under the bridge. And there's actually a lot of people that climb on, let me show you actually. There's a lot of people that climb on these railings of the bridge and look down to it. It's kind of crazy. I don't know why. I guess you can go down here a little bit. Here, let's go check it out, why not? It's kind of steep though. Kind of a steep walk down the bottom of the tallest bridge in California. Yeah, this was the area I came last time. Look at this. And every time a car drives over it, you can hear it. Listen. And yeah, I was talking about how people usually go up these railings, or some people do. They would literally climb up here and just walk across, but now you see like they barbed wired it off so nobody climbs up it. Which is kind of smart. I mean, I don't know why anyone would walk across this, because look at the drop. I've seen pictures and videos of people up there. And yeah, that's a drop. Hold on, maybe we get a better view of the bridge on this side because the sun is hitting it on this side. Yeah, look, see, I think people cut a hole right here, put a string. Yeah, people actually still climb up here. There's a hole right there and then some string. Crazy. I don't know why anyone would do that, because I would not do that. I'm not trying to fall off that. No thanks. The sound of the cars passing over though, kind of freaking me out. Quick little fun fact, this bridge was actually built in 1971. And there's also little walk areas. You can walk on the sidewalk. It's a long ways though. I don't know how long it is, but I'll put it up right here. About to get the drone up. Let's see this. I'm honestly just gonna sit in my car and fly it because it's freaking hot out. Got the drone here. Let's take off. It's actually cool to see this.
Take off.
Oh my, actually it almost hit the car. Quick interruption, I just want to show you, this is what it looks like when you're flying the drone. I can just control it. It's literally like a video game. Let me know what you think of those shots. I thought it was pretty sick. I did want to fly it like through under the bridge, but I kept losing connection. So I was like, this ain't even worth it. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna lose the drone. So sadly, I didn't get to do that, but those were still some pretty sick shots. So now I'm headed to like this dam area. I want to see if I'm able to get in. I've seen pictures of this place everywhere. Everyone's always standing in front of it taking pictures, see if I'm able to drive there instead of hiking, because I do not want to hike in this heat. So we'll see. We got about 10-minute drive there. All right, I made it. Parked right here. And hopefully it's just a little walk. But I hear it though. I hear it. What's crazy is I lived here for so long and this place is only 30 minutes away. And this will be my first time seeing it. Check it out. I think you can also go down to the very bottom of it, because I've seen people take pictures at the bottom, but I honestly don't know how to get there. And I saw it quick second, that's all I wanted to see. Now I'm gonna go to this place called Burgers and Cream, which is said to be the #1 shake and burger place in Auburn, so we'll see. So they do have an area where you can pay to go in, but I'm not doing that, honestly. I know some people probably think I'm crazy for going to see the dam for literally not even a minute, maybe 10 seconds, but honestly, I saw it. Now I'm hungry. This road is crazy though. It's like on the side of a cliff, but I also see, you can see a view from the dam right here as well. See that? I wish this camera can zoom, but right there. That's pretty cool. All right, let's try this burger and cream. Okay, got my food and it came out to $20.54. It was $12 for the burger. That's actually crazy looking back at it. And $4.80 for a 12-ounce milkshake. I got a mint milkshake. They had a bunch of different flavors like Ghirardelli chocolate, peanut butter, and all that. But I wanted to try the mint because I don't think I've ever tried a mint milkshake. Mint milkshake and malt. Let's try it. It's pretty good. It's very thick, very creamy, but don't really taste the mint. Small 12-ounce milkshake for $5 basically. Pretty good though. Just wish it had more of a minty flavor. Now let's get into the burger. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. Comes in this little thing. It's very greasy. Here it is right here, this burger. Ooh, it's called the Boss Burger. It just has like cheese, bacon. Nothing too crazy. First bite, ready? It's okay, honestly. The burger is a little dry. Not really that much flavor either. The cheese is nice and melted though. It is pretty good, the cheese. The bun is very soft as well. But I don't know how I feel about this. I honestly think they might have gave me the wrong burger because there's only cheese and the burger and lettuce in here. There's supposed to be bacon. So yeah, I'm 100% sure they gave me the wrong burger because I'm looking back at the menu. I got the Boss Burger, which comes with sauce, lettuce, tomato. I had no tomato in there. Bacon, no bacon in there. Onion rings, no onion rings. Yeah, I don't know what type of burger they gave me. It was just like a regular burger. Overall, I rate that a 6 out of 10. I'm marking off 1 point. It would have been a 7 out of 10, but they gave me the wrong burger. The shake though is good. I'm gonna kill it. But like I said, I wish it tasted more like mint. I would honestly recommend coming here though, because they have like a bunch of different stuff you can get. Ice cream, different types of burgers, fries, and stuff like that. And it's also family owned since 1986. It says on that sign right there. So come support a family owned business here at Burger and Cream in Auburn, California. But that's gonna wrap up the vlog. I saw a lot today. Went to the bridge, went to the little dam for like 2 seconds, and then came here to eat. But I just wanted to show y'all the tallest bridge in California. It's actually crazy. I'm only like 30 minutes away from it. But let me know in the comments where you want to see me go next and explore, and make sure to drop a like and hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell so you know when I post. I'm gonna be going to Hong Kong, Vietnam, and some other countries next week, so I'm definitely gonna be vlogging that, so stay tuned.